What's up, guys? Eric here with One Home Review. It's we're out in Anoka, Minnesota today, and today we're at a townhouse. It's 300,000, 2-bed, 3-bath, about 1,750 square feet, 1,750. Built in 1996. So remember, if you haven't liked, subscribed, and shared yet, please do so now. All right. See you at the review. All right, here's the review for Anoka, Minnesota. Let's take a little panoramic here. There is a loft up there. It's kind of nice. Let's go to the kitchen first. Kitchen's a little cut off. And there's no fridge. And it really hasn't been updated. You know, functionality is a big thing. You know, it is nice that the washer and dryer is on this level. Water heater looks like it's somewhere in the middle of its life, and the furnace looks pretty new, actually. That's a good thing. 2-car garage is behind us, little closet. I like the high ceilings. We have a sunroom over here. Gas fireplace. Ceilings are nice and high here too. Blue's not for everybody. Out here, this little patio area. This is like a twin house design, so it's kind of nice that the backyard's like that. You don't see any neighbors. So this one has a bathroom right down here. Well, what's up, guys? Just a toilet and a sink. Should be a quarter bath. This would be the master suite. Don't really care for the wall color personally, but it's kind of nice that it's big. Has a his and a her closet. Just an FYI, guys, that's actually a hers and a hers. Bathrooms here. It's handicap accessible, walk-in shower. That's nice for the older generation. It does have a nice low tub down here, so I can see where this would be appealing to some. All right, let's head upstairs. Remember, guys, when I'm doing these reviews, this is personal opinion only, based on the homes that I've viewed previously. Little accent going on there to put stuff on. So I'm just basing on the houses that I've seen. If it's different, or you think the score should be different, or in your area it ranks way better or way worse, let me know in the comments. All right, so loft area. Upstairs bath. Nothing special. It feels clean though. Wish the walls weren't so dark. You know, this whole upstairs level is almost like a big master suite. You can have an office or something down there. So not bad. All right. See you guys at the review. All right, it's review time. One house, everyone knows the rules. My point system is based off of Dave Portnoy's One Bite Pizza reviews. If you haven't checked out the YouTube channel, I highly recommend it. Anyway, yeah, it has no fridge. Layout's pretty smart based on the price. I'm going to give this one a 7-1. Second good review of the day. Catch you guys to the next one. And if you have any comments, please leave in the comment section. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so anyway. And catch you in the next review.